What is this thing? It kind of looks like a chocolate mountain. It looks really cool.
Hey Marshall, welcome. You came right on time. This is a volcano, and I'm going to do science experiments with it.
Whoa! That sounds awesome! Can I help out? If it's too dangerous, I can just watch.
It's not dangerous. Of course you can help. I'll set things up and show you how it works. Alright, so here's a closer look at our volcano island. It's got 4 big craters, a mineral springs, lava lakes, acid pools, and a rainbow storm pool. So let's start by making our first lava bomb. We're going to need citric acid and sodium bicarbonate. We're also going to need a big beaker. Okay, let's start by adding 2 scoops of citric acid into the beaker. Now let's add 4 scoops of sodium bicarbonate into the beaker as well. Now we're going to add 3 drops of water. It's going to start fizzing, but don't worry, that's okay. Now we're just going to stir and stir until the mixture starts to stick and make crumbs. Kind of like a snowy powder. Now we're going to add our powder into 3 of these molds. Press the powder in with your finger. Let's do the same here. Pack this in. Now we have to wait a minute and then we can pop these out. Let's see how our lava bombs turned out. Beautiful. Not too dry or crumbly.
What did you make right now?
So I combined citric acid and sodium bicarbonate. In simpler terms, I combine lemon juice and baking soda. They react in water and make bubbles of carbon dioxide. If you didn't know, carbon dioxide is also found in fizzy drinks and fire extinguishers. So we're going to use it today to make a fizzy volcano.
Whoa! That sounds very interesting. Are you sure this is safe?
Don't worry, it's super safe. Just think of it as a fizzy soda. Watch, I'll show you. So let's put our lava bomb into one of the craters. Now we're going to add 25 milliliters of water into the crater as well. Alright Marshall, watch this. Whoa, very cool, right?
Oh my gosh! That was a super fizzy eruption. It went on for a while. That was so cool.
Glad you enjoyed it. Now what do you think will happen if we crumble up the tablet before pouring?
It'll probably take longer to fizz up.
Let's see if you're right. AWESMR fans, join in for this too. What do you think will happen?
Oh my gosh! That fizzed up so much faster! But how?
Well, when you crumble it up, the smaller pieces have more surface area, so they have more contact with water and the reaction is quicker.
Oh, I see. So if it's spread out, it'll take up more space and it'll fizz up faster.
Yep, are you ready for the next experiment?
You bet, this is awesome.
Okay, we're going to make lava bombs again, but this time we're going to add some color. That way it looks like actual lava flowing down the volcano. So I have the same measurements as before. Now I'm going to add a couple drops of red. Don't add too much color or else it'll expand and look like a marshmallow. Mix this up. Now let's make 3 lava bombs. Pack in each mold. Perfect. Now we just let this dry for a minute. Alright, let's see how our red lava bombs turned out. Okay, looks good. Not too dry or crumbly. Now you're probably thinking, isn't this going to be the same, but just red this time? Not quite, because we're also going to be adding 3 drops of dish soap to make lava foam. Mix this up. Okay, let's put our lava bomb into another crater. Let's add another lava bomb here. Alright, Marshall. So did you notice anything different this time?
Yeah, this time it was a lot more foamy, so it really felt like lava was flowing down. The reaction felt a little slower, but the lava kept coming out, so that was really cool.
Yep, that's right.
Awesome experiment. What are you doing next?
Oh, this one's going to be special. We're going to create a rainbow volcano now.
A rainbow volcano? That sounds incredible.
Let's get everything set up. So this is going to be the massive rainbow eruption. We're going to need 80 milliliters of lava foam, and we're also adding 10 drops of dish soap. Mix this up. Now we have to fill the big craters with lava foam liquid. Just have to make sure the liquid doesn't go into the smaller craters. There we go. Now we're going to add different colors into the smaller craters. Give me a minute. I'll be mixing colors as well, but pretty much the smaller craters will have some combination of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Perfect. Okay, Marshall, are you ready for a rainbow eruption?
Oh my gosh! I was watching you from the side, and this is going to be epic!
These lava bombs are even crazier too. They have more citric acid and bicarb than before. Let me quickly drop one into each crater. Here we go, Marshall. Watch out! We can add more water if needed. Wow, this is so pretty.
That was incredible! It was super foamy and fizzy. The colors started to show towards the end, but having all four go at once was pretty spectacular.
Do you want to see the volcano erupt again?
Oh, can we? I would love it. Let's go again.
No worries. We just need to drop in more lava bombs. Let's get the other craters going. Ooh, that is a lot of lava.
Whoa! I think the second round was a lot cooler. The lava colors changed too. That was the best experiment so far.
Do you want to do one more?
Do I want to do one more? Of course I do.
You got it. Wait right here. I'll get it ready. This is going to be called the Bubbling Mineral Springs. We're going to need 2 scoops of bicarbonate in one end of the spring. Add a drop of blue. And 1 scoop of citric acid on the other end, while adding 2 drops of yellow. Okay, now we're going to gradually fill each end with lava foam liquid until they both overflow in the middle. Woo! Look at that! Okay, Marshall, did you notice anything?
Whoa! I didn't notice at first, but when you were pouring from both ends, there was no reaction until the 2 liquids met in the middle, and the yellow and blue liquid turned the foam green.
That's right. Like we learned earlier, water reacts when citric acid and bicarbonate combine. That's why everything happened in the middle. And we all know yellow and blue makes green. You were awesome today, Marshall. You learned a lot and helped a lot. Let's do another experiment soon. AWESMR Pop fans! Thank you so much for watching. We can't do this without you. If you're new to the channel and became a fan, click that subscribe button for more awesome stuff. And if you want to be the first person to watch our next video, hit that notification bell to have a chance. See ya!